Hello students, this is Latif sir. Today I'll discuss about ions and radicals and their symbols of ions and radicals. So what are ions? Ions are positively or negatively charged particles. That is, ions are charged particles formed when atoms or group of atoms gain or lose gains or loses electron. Atoms are charged particles formed when an atom or group of atoms gains or loses electrons. Okay, there are mainly two types of ions. One is known as cation, that is positively charged ions are known as cation, and cations are formed by losing electron from an atom or from a group of atoms. So an atom or a group of atoms that loses electrons develops a positive charge, and this positively charged ion is known as cation. Similarly, negatively charged ions are known as anion, and negatively charged ions are formed when when an atom or a group of atoms gains electrons. So an atom or a group of atoms that gains electrons develop a negative charge, and this negative charge is known as anion. So positively charged ions are known as cation, and negatively charged ions are known as negatively charged ions are known as anions. For a long time, atoms were thought to be indivisible, but now it is proved that atom can be divisible. Huh. Or atoms are divisible. An atom is made up of some smaller particles which are called subatomic particles, and the subatomic particles present in atoms are protons, neutron, and electron. And protons are positively charged particles, subatomic particles. Electrons are negatively charged subatomic particle, and neutron, these particles have no charge. Okay, protons are represented by P, electrons are E minus, and neutrons are N. An atom is electrically neutral because in an atom the total number of electron, that is negatively charged particle, and total number of protons, that is positively charged particles, are equal. That's why atoms are electrically neutral, because in atom electrons and protons in an atom are equal in number, and electrons are negatively charged particle and protons are positively charged particle. Now some name and symbols of ion. In the symbol of an ion, the number of the number and sign the number and sign of charge are written as superscript on the right side of the chemical symbol of the element. Okay, for example, ferrous means Fe 2 plus. And you have to write the 2 plus in the as the superscript on the right side of the symbol of Fe. Okay, so in the symbol of an ion, the number and sign of the charge are written as superscript on the right side of the chemical symbol of the element. The number is usually written before the sign, and when the charges is plus 1 or minus 1, 1 is not written at all. You have to write plus 1 or minus 1. Huh. For example, a hydrogen atom losing an electron, it forms a cation, which is H plus. The charge of hydrogen ion is plus 1, and hence it is represented as H plus. Some example of some other ions are given in the table. 4.3, and their name also given, name and symbol. So see table 4.3, ions, their names and their symbol. So element, first element, and name of the ion and symbol of the ion. First element is iron. Iron can form two types of ions. One is ferrous, another is ferric. Here the letters are not clear to see. I am saying you have to write in your copy. Okay. I am saying the symbol and name of the ions. Okay. Just copy in your copy. Okay. So element iron, iron has two type of iron can form two types of ions. One is ferrous, another is ferric ion. Ferrous ion means Fe2 plus, Fe2 plus, and ferric means Fe3 plus. You have to write the 2 plus and 3 plus as superscript to the right of Fe. Huh. Next, sodium. Sodium forms only one types of ion, and sodium ion is formula symbol of sodium ion is Na plus. Similarly, potassium forms potassium ion by losing electron, one electron, that is K plus. Calcium forms calcium ion by losing two electrons, that is Ca2 plus. Magnesium forms magnesium ion by losing two electron, that is symbol of magnesium ion is magnesium 2 plus, Mg2 plus. Copper form two types of ion, one is Cu+, another is cupric ion, and formula symbol of Cu+ ion is Cu plus 1 or Cu plus, and formula of cupric ion is Cu2 plus. Okay. And zinc ion forms one type of ions, which is zinc ion, Zn2 plus. Fluorine forms fluoride ion, fluorines form fluoride ion by accepting one electron. So formula of fluoride ion is F minus. It is an anion. So fluorine forms fluoride ion, F minus. Chlorine, similarly, chlorine by gaining one electron, it forms chloride ion, and the symbol of chloride ion is Cl minus. Bromine forms bromide ion by accepting one electron, and symbol of bromide ion is Br minus. Sulfur forms sulfide ion by accepting two electrons, that is S2 minus. And oxygen forms oxide ion by accepting two electron by gaining two electron, and that is O2 minus. I have told that gaining if an atom gain electron, it will form anion, that is negatively charged ion, and if an atom or group of atom loses electron, it will form positively charged ion, that is cation. Okay. Now radicals are almost similar to ions. Radicals are also ions. Okay. That is, but there are some difference between radicals and ions. Mainly that radicals may be or may not be charged particle, but ions always charged particle. Ions are always charged particle. So radicals are radicals. What are radicals? A group of atoms that functions as a single unit in a chemical reaction. That functions as a single unit in a chemical reaction and may or may not carry a charge. May or may not carry a charge is called a radical. Sometimes it is also called polyatomic ions, because radicals is group of radicals are group of atoms. Okay, radicals are a group of atoms. That's why radicals sometimes called polyatomic ions. Okay, and radicals functions as a single unit in a chemical reaction and may or may not carry a charge. A compound may also be formed by the combination of elements and polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions were earlier called radicals, and polyatomic ions, that is radicals are always highly reactive, and thus radicals are found in combination with other ions because they are very highly reactive. So radicals or polyatomic ions, in the table 4.4 some common polyatomic ions or radicals and their formula and their charge also given. You have to read and remember. You have to remember the symbol, chemical formula, and name of radicals and their charge. Huh. So first polyatomic ion or radical is sulfate, and the formula of sulfate radical is, chemical formula is SO4 2 minus. So here the charge of sulfate radical is 2 minus or minus 2. Okay, charge is minus 2 but valency is only 2. Valency is without the sign. Only the number is number which is called valency of that radical. Second polyatomic ion or radical is carbonate. Formula is CO3 2 minus. So charge is 2 minus 2. Next, nitrate. Formula is NO3 single minus, that is NO3 minus 1. So charge is minus 1. Sulfite, radical name of radical is sulfite. It is sulfide. And the first one is sulfate. Sulfate is SO4 2 minus, but sulfide is SO3 2 minus. And charge on sulfide radical is minus 2. Next, phosphate. Formula is PO4 3 minus, so charge is minus 3. Ammonium, next ammonium radical, formula is NH4 plus, charge is plus 1. Next, hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 minus. Only carbonate is CO3 2 minus, but hydrogen carbonate is HCO3 minus 1. So charge is minus 1. Then hydroxide, name of radical is hydroxide. Formula is OH minus 1. So charge is minus 1. And hydrogen sulfate formula is HSO4 minus. So symbol charge of hydrogen sulfate radical is minus 1. In water, if you ionize water molecule, if you break down water molecule to water molecule, it will form, one is hydroxyl radical OH minus and another is hydronium ion or hydronium radical H3O plus. Okay, so radicals of water are OH minus ion, that is OH minus radical, hydroxyl radical, and hydronium radical, that is H3O plus radical. Okay, now difference between atoms, molecule, and radical. Difference between atoms, molecules, and radical, table number 4.5. First atom, then molecule, and then radical or polyatomic ion. Atom may or may not exist independently, but molecule can exist independently. And radical never exist independently. They are always they cannot exist exist independently. They are exist always in combination with some other ions. Next, atom may or may not react. Atom may or may not reactive in nature, but molecules is always stable, not reactive. That is, molecules are generally stable, but atom may or may not react. But radicals are highly reactive. Radicals are highly reactive. Now, in case of atom, some elements, atoms of some element can exist as a single atom. Okay, some elements can exist as a single atom, but in molecule there are many elements combined to form molecule. So many elements form molecules. In case of radical, no single element exists in this state. Next difference is, in case of atom, no linkage, but in case of molecule formed by sharing or transferring of electrons. Molecules are formed by sharing or transferring of electrons, but radicals are formed mainly by sharing of electrons. Atom cannot be further divided, but groups of atom, that is molecules, uh, molecules which is constituted by some elements of same or different types. Okay, molecule can be broken up into atoms. Molecules can be broken up into atoms, and similarly radicals, uh, which are group of atoms, uh, which act as or functions as single unit, and radicals can be further broken up into atoms. Next important point is atoms always electrically neutral, molecules also electrically neutral, but radicals carries charge, positive or negative charge. Now example of atom: hydrogen atom, oxygen atom, nitrogen atom. Formula of hydrogen atom, symbol of hydrogen atom is H. Example of molecule: two atom of hydrogen combine to form a hydrogen molecule, and symbol of hydrogen, formula of hydrogen molecule is H2. An example of radical: an atom each of hydrogen and oxygen combine to form hydroxide ion, which carries -1 charge and represented as OH minus. Okay. Now a positive integer appearing before it is a note. uh, let's say a positive integer appearing before the symbol of an atom or molecule or a radical in a formula represent the number of that atom or of that molecule or radicals respectively. For example, only H means one hydrogen atom, H2 means one hydrogen molecule, but 3H, huh, 3H means three hydrogen atom, 3H2 means three hydrogen molecule, 2NO3 minus means two nitrate radical or nitrate ions, 4H plus means four hydrogen ion. Okay, so the number positive number and positive number or positive integer appearing before the symbol of an atom, molecule or a radical in a formula represent the number of that atom, molecule or radical respectively. Okay, thank you. We have to memorize three uh, three or four differences between atom, molecule and radical, and you have to always you have to remember that the symbol, formula and chemical name of radicals and their formula, chemical formula and their charge. Okay.